Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord not detecting headset step by step so your audio works perfectly in 2026. First, check your physical connection. Make sure your headset is properly plugged in and powered on. If you're using a USB headset, try switching to a different USB port. For 3.5mm headsets, confirm the jack is fully inserted into the correct audio port. Next, verify Windows sound settings. Right-click the speaker icon, open sound settings, and ensure your headset is selected as both the default input and output device. Sometimes Windows automatically switches to another device without you noticing. Now open Discord and go to User Settings, then Voice and Video. Under Input Device and Output Device, manually select your headset instead of leaving it on default. Speak into the mic and check if the input bar responds. If Discord still doesn't detect your headset, disable exclusive mode in Windows. Go to your headset properties, open the Advanced tab, and uncheck the exclusive control options. This prevents other apps from blocking Discord's access. Another useful fix is updating your audio drivers through Device Manager and restarting Discord as administrator. Outdated drivers or permission conflicts often cause detection issues. Finally, restart your PC and test again inside Discord. In most cases, your headset will now be recognized properly. If this guide helped you fix the issue, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Discord fixes in 2026. See you in the next one.